Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Face ID is not available. Try settings up Face ID later. So guys, if you have this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, go back and open your settings. Click on settings, scroll it down and click on Face ID and passcode. So here you need to put passcode of your iPhone or iPad and scroll it down, and here is the option of setup Face ID. Click here and click on get started. So here you can see I am facing this issue. My Face ID is not working in my iPhone. So how can you fix it? So first of all, restart your iPhone. So click on side buttons, and first of all you need to power off and power on again. So after this, check that your problem is fixed or not. If not fixed, then open your settings, scroll it down, click on general and click on software update, and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date to latest iOS version. So here you can see my iPhone is has latest iOS version 17.0. So after checking this, if your software version is older than this, then you need to update it, and after update you need to click on general again, scroll it down and click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset and click on reset all the settings. So you need to click here, and here you need to put passcode of your iPhone or iPad, and after doing reset your problem will be fixed. So if not fixed and still having this problem, then open any internet browser and search here support.apple.com, support.apple.com. So search here and wait for page opening. So here you can see this interface is opened. So you need to click on iPhone, and after this scroll down, click on get support, click here, and after this, these are the topics in which you can discuss. So our topic is so after this you need to click on more products, scroll it down, and iPhone. So here you can see click on more, scroll it down, scroll down, and here is the option of Face ID. So you need to click here and wait for page opening, and after this you can, if Face ID is not working, so you need to click here and wait for page opening. After this, scroll it down, you need to click on no, and here you need to write your problem. So my problem is Face ID is not working in my iPhone or iPad, and tell them your problem. And after this you need to click on submit here. So after submitting your problem, within a day your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use your Face ID smoothly. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.